Here's the question. 36 divided by 1/9 times 1/300th. Let's write it in the correct format. 36 divided by 1/9 times 1/3. Now, if we check from left to right, we'll give priority to division first and multiplication comes second. Now, let's solve this segment. 36 divided by 1/9 times 1/3. To solve this, we'll replace division with multiplication and reverse 1/9. So, rewriting it, we'll change division to multiplication and write 1/9 as 9/1 times 1/3. By 3. 9 will be divided by 3, right? 36 times 3 times 1. So 36 times 3, that's what it'll be. 108, this is the right answer.